Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. I'm going to show you how to hard reset your Redmi Note 11 Pro. So this version can be helpful if you doesn't remember the password to your phone or that software doesn't work properly. So first of all, we have to turn off our phone. If you have some issues with the password, anyway, you have to turn it off. And then press and hold volume up and power button together. After you see the logo of me, you're gonna release power button, still holding volume up. So keep holding both the key. Okay, the logo is up here, so we're gonna release power button, still holding volume up. And wait until we see the special utility menu. Okay, release all the button and now go down by pressing volume down to wipe data, then accept by power. Now go down, wipe all data by power, go down to confirm, accept by power, and voila, now the phone gonna be restart and gonna be start with the new brand firmware without any password on the code. So now gonna be reboot the phone, reboot to system with the power, and that's it. After the phone wake up, you will need to enter your Google account if you have some. If not, the phone will be easy and turn on and it'll be ready to use. That's it. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave a like, leave a comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.